Alright, you guys, so I am wearing the pants from yesterday. Just so you know, here's a quick shot. Alright, so this is a special customer order, and I did exactly what they asked for, but I'm just letting you know before I even open this that the video is not over just because I'm doing a reveal. I have one more thing that I want to do to this before it's totally done, so don't click off just yet, because you're going to want to see the end too, the end result, so just hold on. But I'll rip through this real quick so you can see what I did and what they asked for. It's pretty awesome. So here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So what a great tapestry. Also, let's take a second before I keep going with this tapestry. Thank you guys so much for 50,000 subscribers. That is a ton of subscribers, and I didn't actually ever think that I was going to hit 50 at all. So thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. That means that 50,000 of you thought that I was doing a great job and you wanted to keep watching my stuff. So that means a lot. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the end though. I got another step. I'm going to get it in the wash, and then we got another step to go. So it's going to look super awesome. Thank you.